Hi everybody, welcome to this class. Today in this class we will study fall throw. In previous class we also study about fall throw, and in that class I told you what is a fall throw, what is the syntax of it, and we did in example fall throw with integer. But in this class we will do fall throw with characters, and with the help to solve this problem we have to make a program on this problem. Enter an alphabet and check whether it is an alphabet or not. If it is an alphabet, whether it is vowel or consonant. These two conditions we have to check. So for this we will make a program and we'll solve this problem with the help of fall throw. First we will import a package util. For scanner class, now we'll take a class switch with fall throw. Fall throw, or we can say fall throw with character. Here we will make an object of scanner class. Now we'll ask the user to enter a character. We will read this character in ch variable. Like this I read a character. Now we'll apply switch on this character, but before switch we have to test whether it is alphabet or not. So we'll say if ch greater than equals to a and ch less than equals to z, then it is okay, otherwise we will print it is not an alphabet. But one more problem over here. If somebody entered a character in capital case, capital A to capital Z, then what will happen? So we have to convert this character in lower case. As soon as we will read the character, we will convert character dot to lower case ch, so that if anybody enter letter in capital character in capital case, that will automatically converted by this statement to lower case. So now we will apply this condition only for lowercase. There is no need to apply for uppercase, because we will convert every character into lowercase first. After that will come here. Now if this condition is true, we entered an alphabet from A to Z, then we have to check it is vowel or consonant. So we'll apply switch on the ch and we'll say if case A, case E, case I, case O, case U, in that case it is vowel, and we'll say break, as is the default, and it is consonant. To see it's working, we have to save this program. We'll go file, save this program with class name fall through with character Java. My computer C drive, we will save this program in JDK bin folder. Now we'll open command prompt to go to root directory cd slash cd jdk. We will open jdk7 and bin folder of jdk7. Now we'll compile java fall through with character dot java. Now we'll run this. We will enter a character like I enter A, it is vowel. If I enter capital A, still then it is a vowel, because capital A, as soon as we will enter here, it will converted by this statement to lower A. Now we will enter S consonant, capital S consonant. If I enter any other character, then it is not an alphabet. Will directly come here. It is not an alphabet. So it is a program in which we will do the practical of fall throw with characters. And previous video we studied fall throw with integers along with definition of fall throw and working of fall throw. So if you have any problem in this video or previous video, you can ask me through comment. And if this video is helpful for you, you can like this video, can share this video, and can subscribe my channel for more videos or more topics related to this chapter. Beside this, all topics of this video, all topic of the speech or decision making statement, link of all those videos present in description of all videos, so you can study all the topics from there. And if somebody want to learn all this topic in Hindi, that is also possible. I have second channel over there, all this data in Hindi, and link of that channel is present in the description of this video. And if somebody want to learn theoretical concept of these topics that I am teaching in videos, so you can visit my blog. Link of the blog is also present in description of this video. Thanks for watching.